This was a great session because I think you had a technology provider in a panel, somebody talking about the technology advantages, the risks maybe, complexity, but also somebody representing the automotive industry, more from a practical perspective, talking about what autonomous mobility could mean for them, Stellantis in this case. So basically a forum or a discussion that brought both worlds together. Fantastic.
Today's session was really insightful. I really like that you bring together different players from the industry, because like for the keynote it's always one perspective, but like if you kind of have panels, you see really a discussion emerging. And I think especially interesting was the insight on the European market and like how we perceive ADAS systems and like on the customer perception, and that we need to kind of keep up with safety to really kind of align the interests of the customer and really think customer first. That was my main take of the session.